Now, in here we have ourselves the order of performance of work. Very posh there. The set includes tweezers or stylus. Oh, tweezers! Does that mean that it's going to be them horrible plastic cheap crap, or is it going to be the tweezers that are, you know, them lovely heavy duty ones? We've also got ourselves a container for rhinestones. A container for rhinestones. I'm assuming they mean the tray. We've also got an acrylic rhinestones, canvas with a picture scheme and job instructions. I can exclusively reveal this does come with a frame, so you've got all in one here, guys, and there's a big collection of these. It is a Christmas related one, and there we go. So let's get into this, and oh my days, look, yeah, exactly like the range. Oh wow, that's beautiful. I can see, is it going to be green, pink? What we got? Please be something different. I've got, oh no, it's the standard green. I want a yellow tray, guys. I want a yellow tray, and we got the canvas here as well. So in that lovely box for you. First of all, are you ready? Let's get to the painting this first anyway. So you get yourself the tray and the bags. You've also got yourself this beautiful frame, very similar to, let's see if I've got one available. Yeah. So remember this cute little dog that I did? It's pretty much the same as that. And yeah, in here, as you can see, you've got your standard frame all in there. I really love the idea that they come with frames now. I think it's really nice that they include it, because if you're just doing the painting, you've got to fork out for a frame. So to get it all in one kit is pretty good for $3.99. So we'll put that to one side. We've also got our drills here, as you can see, and in here we have, which looks absolutely beautiful. And we've got the classic silver. We've got a very nice hot pink for Liz. And we've got ourselves some apricot, sort of orangey colour, a dark green, a very dark looking green there. My God, it looks black. It's actually green, but it's so dark that it looks black as well. A beautiful blue there. And we've got a lovely red and a very sort of bronzy colour there. A very sort of light silver there. A very mild sort of pink, a teal, oh, some big silvers. And we've got another big silver. Now for the ultimate reveal, guys. What is this going to look like? Is it going to look good? And for all you Robin friends out there, look! Oh, I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so detailed. Look at this. Oh my God. E colour, 1 to E, but oh my God, like, I'm speechless right now. This is beautiful. Like, you never know what it's going to look like until you get it in, you know, person. But I tell you something, this could not be any clearer. This is so clear. I mean, when you look at something like our damaged snowman over here, it looks clear, but that, is it me or does that look more vibrant? $3.99. You can cut the edge off, and then what will happen is you pop it in your frame like that, and then it's all ready for Christmas. So whilst we may have had damage with the snowman, we've got this to accompany us, you know, so yeah, absolutely. Look at that. That stick is fantastic. $3.99. I'm absolutely over the moon with this. I love it. That looks like a Christmas pudding. The fact that the ball is next to the brown, and, you know, you do get a brown Christmas pudding. You've got this lovely Christmas hat, and it's diamond paint drilled, because when I did the Christmas birds, that part wasn't drilled, and I don't understand why. I know it's a partial, but I love it when they're all drilled. You've even got this cute little holly and berries. Like, oh my God, I love it. And then you've got this Christmas tree here, which looks absolutely fabulous. You've also got the red bit there, and you've also got this lovely ivy with like the red ball there, which looks really, really good. And a cute little butterfly. Oh, hallelujah. And this, I don't know what that is. That is, oh my days, look at that. He's got his cheeky little scarf, and he's got a little baby robin. Look at that. I don't think it's an actual robin, but it looks like a little blue tit or something. But he's even got his cute little hat. That just is so cute. Like, he's adorable. And then you've got like love hearts here. Look, oh my God, like, I'm gonna have a while of a time with this. This is absolutely beautiful. As I said, you get this, you get your tray with the you know, the things in it. You also get your drills, which are over here, and you also get this. See, I should work for Bid TV. Or, you know, Crafter's Companion, you know, where they're showing products. I'll be good for that. A lot of my friends say I have the voice of a TV presenter. I'd love to do that. and you get all of that. All of this shoved in there, $3.99. Get ordering on Amazon before they sell out or the price goes up, because some of these go up to $5.99. But oh my days, like there's a collection of these as well. You've got a snowman, you've got, and Liz I think has the snowman of this, and you've also got the reindeer on there. It's like a big collection. I just have to have the lot. I can't stop ordering Christmas paintings. My Christmas collection is just like so big, and I'm really struggling to sort of wind this down. I keep buying more, and look, I've still not done any of these. I've got all this to do. I've got stickers to do. Where am I going to get the time for all these projects? But the important part is get them while you can, while they're on a discount. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. If you haven't done so already, tap that notification bell so you can be alerted when a new video pops up on the channel, and also subscribe to the channel, because the great thing is it's free of charge and you don't have to pay anything. So until then, thank you for watching, take care, and we'll see you for more Amazon unboxings coming very soon. Bye.